To configure the database email, open the SQL Server Management Studio. Connect to the SQL Server instance you want to configure, and expand the server tree. Expand the management node. Double-click or right-click Configure Database Mail to open the Database Mail configuration wizard. On the Select Configuration task page, select Manage Database Mail Accounts and Profiles option and click Next. On the Manage Profiles and Accounts page, select Create a New Profile option, and click Next. On the New Profile page, specify the profile name, description and add accounts to be included in the profile, and click Add button. Now click on New Account. On the New Database Mail Account page, specify the account name, description and add accounts to be included in the SMTP details, and click OK button. Now click on Next button. Click again on the Next button. In the next screen, click Next and then click on the Finish button to execute these actions on the server. After finishing the wizard, the system will configuring all setting you selected. Click on the Close button when all process has been success. To test the email, right-click on the database email under the Management node and click on Send Test Email. Select your mail profile and type the email address, subject and body and send test email. If you like this video, please share, like this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.